before the quiz tomorrow, your exponent packet should have pages 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 done. The others are extra practice, extra credit. So this is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, or just 5 out of 5. Listen, the other thing that needs to be done is this order of operations coloring thing. Well, at least finish it. Don't necessarily have to color it if you don't get done. Hold on. So tomorrow you can use this. You can use your workbook, right? We worked in our workbook somewhat, so you can use that. Right? 160. 169 was order of operations. And then you can use your practice quiz. So in just a minute, well, not just a minute, but in about 20 minutes, we're going to go over the practice quiz. But when you get done with this, you should be being sure your packet's done, working on extra practice, working on your order of operations coloring sheet, okay? Here we go. Make sure your name is on this. Tomorrow you are turning this in with your quiz, so make sure your name's on it now so I don't have to remind you tomorrow. All right, what's the first order of operations? Parentheses. Turn your voices off right now. We're going over a practice quiz. Do you think that's pretty important? Yeah. Yes. Your assessments are 90% of your grade. And I'm giving this to you to use on the assessment tomorrow. So please focus. Yeah, a quiz and assessment. All right. What is your second order of operations? Exponents. Need this pencil. What comes after exponents? Good. Be sure I'm pausing again to tell you to shut your mouths, Eli. Focus.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Peyton, please stop distracting people. You're running your mouth, so please stop. So we're going to write multiply, divide, from left to right. Be sure you know it's from left to right. What comes after multiplying and dividing from left to right? Good. So we're going to add and subtract from left to right. Guys, enough of the tapping and the nonsense. Notice on the questions on number 2, it says, be sure to show your work. You just write the answer down, are you going to get credit? No. If you just write the answer down, are you going to get credit? No. It's underlined in bold. Be sure to show your work. What do I do first for letter A? Good. What's 5 plus -9? -4. Be careful. Your signs are different, so you're finding the difference. Once I figure that out, I'm just bringing everything down. What do I do next? Do I multiply or subtract? I have to multiply before I subtract. That comes first. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got to finish step 3 before we can go to step 4. So what's negative 4 times 4? Negative 16 minus 1. Negative 17. So you should have showed your work and you should have gotten negative 17. Letter B, what do I need to do first? The exponents. Is this 3 times 2? No, it's 2 factors of 3. So what is 3 times 3? Then I'm rewriting the problem, bringing everything down. I don't have to, there's no multiplication or division, so now I need to add or subtract from left to right. So what's 9 minus 18? 9. It's not 9. 1. What's 9 minus 18? It's negative 9. So be careful. That changes your entire answer.
That's negative 1.
This is negative 1.
I have 1% stored into my brain.
All right. Some of you got a little stuck here because you noticed that this number was in parentheses, but all it's standing for is times. It's just holding on to that negative. So there are no parentheses, there are no exponents, so we're going to multiply and divide from left to right. What's 5 times 3? What's 4 times negative 2? Negative 8. Now I'm going to add and subtract from left to right. What's 5 minus 15? It's not 10, but it is negative 10. Negative 10 minus 8 is getting more negative, right? Negative 18. What do I do first? What is 2 plus negative 10? Now that's really still in parentheses and I'm bringing down the rest of my problem. These parentheses, we don't have to do anything with yet. They're just standing for what operation? Multiplication. Good. They're just telling us we're going to multiply those. But before we get to step 3, we have to do step 2, which is our exponents. Is this 4 times 2? No. No way. It's 2 factors of 4. What's 4 times 4? Good. Now I'm on step 3. We have to multiply and divide from left to right. What's 5 times negative 8? Negative 40 minus 16. So it's getting more negative, right? Negative 56. Here's a bonus question. I won. All right, guys, step by step. I don't know. Step by step, what would you do first? All right, so inside these parentheses, times, what's, ooh, is this ugly? All right, so now we have to multiply. If we multiply this by 2, it's just canceling out. And that becomes positive 11. 11. What's 2 times 18? 36 divided by 3. There's a reason it was a bonus, right?